Welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to add titles to your video. So this is the first step in the right. You're going to click here and you will see all the different titles that you have. You have lower thirds, you have thirds for your higher thirds. So I'm going to add this one, which is Mother Up, and I can just click it, and you're going to do it for a second and you will see that you can edit it. And I'm going to put gaming 101, something like that. I just for an example, and I can even edit the colors, and I can make it bigger. I can do the character spacing a little bit. So here's the sizing. Just gonna make it small, and I can move it up and down, spacing. So in this case, it doesn't have it, but I can even change the font. I don't like that one. So that is pretty much how you can add blur, distance. Just gonna put it not too far, angle. So this is an awesome feature that you can have. The shape, you can make it another color. I don't know, like yellow, or this, or okay, and now you will see it. Or I can even put in the video of the title of how to play bad, because it was a really bad video, and that's pretty much how you can add titles to your video. And you can even add for the bottom, so you can end the video in a high note. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So to put an end title, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna drag it here, and I'm gonna say subscribe and thank you for watching. And you will see here that it will show, and it will end. And I can even add transition to the end of the video, dip to white, dip to black, so it will go like this. And you can add it to the title, and you could do the same thing. So that's how to add titles to your video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.